Hello and welcome to this Nitan guidance video covering the PC config tool for the Nitan multi-panel. All of your text entries and cause and effect programming can be set using the panel front, but the PC tool allows you to do it using your laptop. The program is free and available from Nitan Tech Support. Once you have opened the site file for the installation, maximize on your screen. Then click on Site and Panel in the top left hand corner. Then click on Events. To add a cause and effect rule, click on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. This will open a new box for inputs. Again, click on the plus sign at the bottom and you will be given a series of drop-down selections for level, module, device and type. For level, you can select from module, zone or panel. Module will allow you to select from any of the plug-in modules such as a loop card, zone monitor or multi-input module. Selecting a loop card will give you a drop-down list of input devices on that loop, such as detectors or input modules. Once you have selected the devices, you can select the type of alarm, such as detector alarm, call point alarm, trouble or supervisory. Selecting a zone monitor or multi-input as module will give you a drop-down list of input ports on that device. You can then select the type of alarm, such as trouble, alarm or supervisory on or off. If you select zone in the level options, you can select the initial and end zone as a range to apply the rule. You can then select the type of alarm, such as detector alarm, call point alarm, trouble, supervisory or multiple devices in alarm for your double knock rule. If you select panel in the level options, you can select the type of alarm, such as detector alarm, call point alarm, trouble, supervisory, multiple devices in alarm, or multiple zones in alarm. When you click OK, you will see a summary screen showing the input. Here you have the option to edit or highlight to delete and start over. You can also add input events for logic and or rules to be applied later in settings. Otherwise, click Next to continue. You will now find the output screen where you can select the destination panel if on a networked system, leave as 1 for a standalone panel. You also have a series of other drop-down selections for level, module, device, output and type. For level, you can select module, zone or panel. Module will allow you to select from any of the plug-in modules, such as a loop card, notification appliance circuit or relay module. Selecting loop card will give you a drop-down list of output devices on that loop, such as output modules or sounder base. Once you have selected the device, you can select the output in the case of output modules. To apply both outputs, select All. Then select type of alarm, such as March, ANSI 3, continuous or beacon. Selecting a notification appliance circuit or multi-relay module will give you a drop-down list of output ports on that device. You can then select the type of alarm, such as March, ANSI 3 or continuous. If you select zone in the level options, you can select the initial and end zone as a range to apply the rule. You can then select type of alarm, such as March, ANSI 3, continuous or beacons, etc. If you select Panel in the level options, you can select the type of alarm, such as March, ANSI 3, Continuous, Beacons, etc. When you click on Next, you will find the Options screen where you can select Logic and/or. If only one input was programmed, this will default to Direct. In the Options screen, you can select the retriggering setting as Never, New Zone, or Always. You can also enter the day and night delay times in seconds. Click OK to complete the cause and effect rule, and you will see a summary list of the event settings. You can edit or highlight to delete a line. You can also create a duplicate line or click the plus sign at the bottom to add new lines. Please refer to the manual for further information. Thanks for watching, and for further helpful videos, please refer to the Nitan channel on YouTube.